Hello students, we are in the fifth sum. It is the exercise 2.4. Let us read the sum first. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA. Okay, D is the midpoint for a AB and E is the midpoint for a BC and F is the midpoint for AC. Okay, find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. We want to find the area of the triangle, ratios of the triangle DEF, area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC. Okay. So first we have to prove that we don't know so what is the sides of that and everything we don't know. First we have to get to know the area of triangle DEF first. For that we have to take that all these areas, how much that it will be equal. So I mean area of triangle BED, triangle 1, area of triangle EFC and area of triangle 3. Okay, that is the ADF for this. So first we have to take the triangle BED, area of triangle in triangle. First we have to take BED in triangle BED. So and triangle ABC. ABC is the full triangle, keep in mind. So that equal. Okay, so here we have to prove that first both they are similar triangles. So here we can take angle BED equal to angle BCA because corresponding angles we can get here the same ABC full triangle, this is and this is. Okay, we can take angle BED equal to angle ACB or BCA, anyhow we can take. They are the corresponding angles. Which angles they are? Corresponding angles, keep in mind. Corresponding angle, and one more corresponding angle we can get, that is the triangle BDE. This thing BDE is correspondence to BAC, angle equal to BAC or CAB, however we can write. Those are also the corresponding angles, same it is. Okay, and also the common angle for the both. Which is the common angle? Triangle ABC, I mean common letter. You can check here, the common letter is B, so therefore angle B equal to angle B, that is the common angle for the both. Common angle. So we can write this angle B as angle ABC and angle DBE also, but it is a common, that's why I am taking one only. So by the which criteria all the angles are equal? Which criteria? By AAA, all the three sides of one triangle is equal to the three angles, not side, three angles of one triangle is equal to the three angles of the another triangle. By AAA similarity criteria. So what we can write? So thus area of triangle BED is similar to triangle ABC, we can write. Okay, so if it is similar, I mean if it is equal, we can take similar triangle formula. If it is similar, area of triangle BED divided by area of triangle ABC, similarity triangle formula this is. Okay, any one side we can take. So here I am taking the last, I mean ED square or DE square, both are same. ED square equal to last one is BC square, or anything we can take, or CA square. So that equals to what? That equals, I mean DE divided by CA square. Okay, equal to what? 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4. Why it should be? So this DE equal to half AC. Here you have to write DE equal to half AC or CA we can write. So why it should be DE equal to of AC? Because they only has given D. D is the midpoints. Okay. So DE, I mean here if it is a DE, if it will be like that, so that equal to midpoint, that is the midpoint. I mean if it D is the midpoint, so that it divides into off. So for that sake this DE equal to of AC we can write. Okay, in the same way that EF equal to of AB, and also the this DF equal to of BC we can write. Okay, why it should be? Because DEF are the midpoints. Okay, because DEF are the midpoints. So you can substitute here. If you are getting confusion here, you have to substitute that. So instead of DE we can write of AC, so that whole square divided by CA square, in the sense nothing but the AC square only. So this AC divided by 2 it will become, I mean nothing but the AC square divided by 2 square is 4, that divided by AC square, here it will be 1. So if we do the reverse multiplication, so it will become AC square divided by 4, the new denominator will become a it will interchange each other, the numerator and the denominator, and I mean 1 divided by AC square get cancelled, that will be 1 by 4. So that thing only I am writing here. So area of triangle BED divided by area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 4. So here you can write DEF for the midpoints. In this here no place, so we can also write which I told you, DE equal to of AC, or this thing, which one, EF equal to of AB, EF equal to of AB, and one more you want to write, that is the, it is this thing, I mean DF equal to of BC, DF equal to of BC. Why it should be? Because D, E, F are the midpoints. That's all. So if similarly like that in one triangle we have proved that area of triangle, I think you hope you will understand, divided AD square, AD instead of ED we can write as of AC, because DA and ED both are same, CA and AC both are same, of AC square get cancel, 1 by 4 we can write. So in the same way, similarly we can write, this is a similar symbol I told you, the another triangle 2 we can take, that is area of triangle, which is that EFC, area of triangle EFC divided by area of triangle whole, that is the ABC is also 1 by 4. We can prove like that only, because based on that. Okay, so that it will be equal to EF square divided by AB square, that corresponding side you can try that, EF square divided by AB square, instead of EF we can write half AB square, like that. In the same way, one more triangle, area of triangle, one more, which is, this is the first one what we prove, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. So which is the third one? That is the area of triangle ADF divided by the same area of triangle ABC equal to, what we will get, the same, that is the 1 by 4 only. How it should be? So I will tell you which one we want to take, that nothing but the DF square divided by BC square. DF nothing but, if in the place of DF we have to substitute of BC square, so that BC square will get cancelled, remaining it will be 1 by 4. Okay, next that continuation part here I will do. Sorry. Yes, here I'll do. So we will get now three areas of the three ratios of the three sets of the triangle, which is though first we have to take the first one, that is the area of first one, area of triangle, the first one, you have to take the first one, which is that area of triangle BED divided by whole area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 4 you got, no? So in the same way, if we do the cross multiplication here, what we will get? Area of triangle 4, I mean yeah, this area of triangle BED, if we separate that, I mean area of triangle 4, it is 4 area of triangle BED equal to area of triangle ABC, or if we separate that area of triangle BED only for us, area of triangle BED equal to 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC. The value never change, okay? 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC divided by 4 we will get nothing but it will be 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC. Take this as a 1. In the same way, one more triangle, the second triangle, that is the area of triangle EFC. So this ratio, if we do the cross multiplication, in that also we can get the second one, area of triangle EFC equal to what happen? 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC. And the third one is also same, that is the area of triangle. Which triangle? You have to take the triangle, one is ADF, right? Area of triangle ADF equal to 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC. Similarly, in the same way, this is 2 and this is 3. So yes, we got all the areas of these three triangle, 1 2 3. So let us find out this. If we add all these and subtract by the whole, we can get the area of triangle ADEF, right? So we can get that area of triangle DEF equal to, subtract by the whole in the sense which is the whole triangle, that is area of triangle ABC minus, okay, minus which are the 1 2 3. 1 2 3 is nothing but this thing, I mean area of triangle BED, that thing we have to take, area of triangle BED plus area of triangle EFC, area of triangle EFC plus the third one is area of triangle ADF, right? Okay, so nothing but here area of triangle DEF equal to area of triangle ABC, we don't know, right, as it is ABC, we don't know, right, as it is, minus. So this thing, area of triangle BED, nothing but we got 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC, write that 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC plus here also 1 by 4 area of triangle, both are, all are equal, right? 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC and area of triangle EDF also same, plus 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC, right? So all three 1 by 4s are there, 1 by 4's area of triangles, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. How much we got? Let us do that. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it is the extra, okay? So if the denominators are same, we can add the numerator by writing the denominator. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, we will get the 3 by 4. So now we can write area of triangle DEF equal to area of triangle ABC minus this value 3 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 is 3 by 4 area of triangle ABC. Okay, so here it will be, if there is no number, there will be the 1. So now you have to do that 1 minus 3 by 4, because area of triangle ABC are same now, we can do that. So take a LCM 4. So if it should be, always will be the denominator 1. So 1 for LCM is a 4, 1 and 4, 1 4s are 4, 4 1s are 4 minus 4 get cancelled, 1 I mean 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 4, right? So area of triangle DEF is 1 by 4 of it is also area of triangle ABC. So they are asked us to find out this calculation or minus they are asked us to find out what, find the ratios of the find the ratios of the area of triangle DEF and area of triangle ABC. That ratio we want to find out. So that is, I mean, area of triangle, take that ratio DEF divided by area of triangle ABC equal to how much here? DEF is 1 by 4 only, 1 by 4 divided by itself it is a 1, which is area of triangle ABC. So that equal to 1 by 4 into again 1 by 1, that equal to 1 by 4 only. So the ratios of this triangle is ratio is 1:4. This will be, this is the extra calculation what I got it. Okay, 1:4. So this is the sum, actually the ratio will be 1:4. We have to move for the next sum, that is the sixth sum actually. Prove that the ratios of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratios of their medians. Okay, squares of the ratios of the square corresponding medians. This thing we want to prove that ratios of areas of two similar triangles is equal. I mean, similar triangle they are given, I mean they are both are equal, the squares of the ratios of their corresponding is equal to the that areas is equal to the squares of the ratios of their corresponding medians in the sense here AD square equal to AD square divided by PS square. That thing we want to prove. So first we have to do for that. So first we have to take the, if the median will be there, AD and PS are the median, the half of the triangle we have to take here in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle PQS we have to take. Let us prove these two are the similar triangle. So here angle B equal to angle Q, we can write angle B equal to angle Q. So why we can write angle B equal to angle Q? Because corresponding angles. In the same way we can write the sides also. Which are those sides? AB divided by sides, corresponding sides, AB divided by PQ, that equal to the BD divided by QS. So here also both the sides, I mean AB equal to PQ and BD equal to QS. Why? They are also the corresponding sides. Corresponding sides of similar triangle are proportional. Similar triangle. So then we can say the ABD by SAS, I mean two sides one angle is equal. So therefore the triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. How it should be? According to the SAS similarity criteria. Two sides here, two sides and one angle, similarity criteria, SAS similarity criteria. Next we have to do the continuations part. In the same way we can write AB equal PQ and BD equals QS. In the same way we can write that AD equal to PS also, because AD is a median. So therefore we can write, it can be said that what we can write, AB divided by PQ, that equal to AB divided by PQ, that equal to BD divided by QS, that equal to one more side is median is AD divided by PS. We can write this. Okay, so let us take the triangle, area of triangle ABC divided by one more triangle is area of triangle PQR. PQR. So here obviously the three sides are equal. Which are those three sides? One is AB, right? AB and PQ, right? AB square divided by PQ square, that equal to one more is BC square divided by QR square, that equal to one more is AC square divided by PR square. PR square. So instead of AB and PQ, we can add AD equal to PS, because AB by PQ equal to the AD divided by PS, because it is a median. So we can write as area of triangle, anyone we have to take here, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, anyone. Let us take this only, AB square divided by PQ square. So instead of AB and PQ, what we can write? AD divided by PS, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equal to, so instead of AB and BD we can write AD square divided by PS square. Hence it is proved. That thing only they are asking. I mean both the areas, okay, of the triangle, that ratio is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding medians. Okay, that thing it is proved. Okay, AD square equals PS square. Hope you will understand. Keep watching. Thank you all.